One of the things they're going to have to do for space exploration is do additive manufacturing, because we may have an engine part that fails, and you're certainly not going to take up spare engine parts. You're going to have to manufacture them there. And a lot of what we want to do with that means looking at microscopic particles, because they're building blocks. And now I think a big part of the future in this field, and for lots of different reasons, is active materials. So now we have ways that instead of just the particles being just particles, we can activate them, we can functionalize them, we can get them to associate with one another specifically. So one of the things we're aiming for is active self-replication, evolution in microgravity, to put lots of things together and to optimize properties using evolutionary processes from not living things, but mimicking what living things have done so successfully. We'll learn how to do that on Earth eventually. But before we do that, it's much better, because they have different densities, to do it in microgravity. It's always really important to do something at the forefront of science that will then become a forefront in engineering and production.